Here we are on sheet 1. The first thing we will do on all of our Adobe Illustrator sheets is add our name and date. So we'll go select the text tool and click over here to type our name as well as the date that we are working on the sheet. You can grab the arrow and move it a little bit if you typed a little bit off to the side. This first sheet is on fill and stroke. So the fill is the color that the shape is shaded in with, and the stroke is how thick the line is that we draw the shape with. There are two tools we will need. So if we go up to our window menu, we can select color. Our color menu will pop up here. We can put that anywhere we want on the screen. The other menu we will need is our stroke menu. And once we click on that, it also appears, and we can put it anywhere we want on the screen. If you drag them right next to each other, they will attach into one menu. So this first shape we are going to select once we see that it is highlighted. We are going to go make our stroke 1 point. And our fill on this, we'll go to our color for our fill. And notice how the shape in front, as I hover over it, you can see the fill pop up. If the other one is clicked, that is going to be the color of the line it is drawn with. For this worksheet, we want to be working with that fill in front. And we want the fill to be none. Right now it is 100% black. So we can do that by either typing into this text box a 0, or we can drag that little arrow all the way to the left. And that is how you do number 1. From there, you continue on. Click number 2, and this point in time we want the stroke to be a 30 point and the fill to be none. After you've completed problems 1 through 7, part 2 is changing these boxes. So we'll select a box. This first box we want our stroke to be none. We can do that a few ways. We can go to the stroke and make it 0. We could also go to our color, and if we had that border in front, the stroke, we select no fill. And over here on the left, you have another menu that you can select no fill from. So whichever you prefer. The fill on this, that's inside the shape, I can again click it in front here or over in my color menu. And I want it to be 100%. I'm going to type that in the K box. The K represents that color black. And once I hit enter, I accidentally clicked off of it, so you'll just need to hover over the right spot to make that box reappear. Again, because my stroke was a 0, it looked like my box disappeared. It's actually still there with a clear border. Here's the fill in front, and I actually want it filled 100%. And that's how you do everything for this part 2 boxes 1 through 7.